You know, I see the next thing now. Ooh. Welcome, brother. Welcome, dog. Dog, how you look so you look stressed. I just don't understand life. I don't understand certain things. Certain things just don't make no sense. You understand? Come to you, man. I just don't understand. I just don't understand why certain things happen, man. Certain things just don't make no sense. You know? Man, you talk now? Come to you. Dog, my 3 girlfriend them go come to me and tell me say me a cheat, dog. 3 of them, you know, dog. I go come to me and say me a cheat. That's something I deal with a relationship thing, I don't know, man. I don't understand. So, yeah, man. I don't know, dog.